Okay, in this video we're going to go over one-step dimensional analysis problems. Now, dimensional analysis is a lot more complicated than the King-Henry method or the step method simply because it's not based on tens. The English system has all sorts of different conversions. It uses 12 feet in 12 inches in 1 foot, 3 feet in 1 yard, 5,280 feet in 1 mile. So we can't convert the same way. We can't just move a decimal one way or move decimal the other way. So what we're going to have to actually do is we're going to have to multiply in order to change the units. Now, luckily, units actually work a lot like numbers or variables in algebra, which means we can actually cancel. So for example, if you had centimeters divided by centimeters, the numbers, these units will actually cancel out, and essentially it's the same thing as having any number divided by itself. 5 divided by 5 is 1, 10 divided by 10 is 1, they cancel. And the units will cancel the same way. So when we go and we do a conversion, for example, let's say I have, and I measure myself and I find I am 71 inches tall. Okay, so that's about, what, 5 feet 11 inches? So 71 inches tall, but I want to find out how tall I am in centimeters. Well, the conversion for that is 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Now, that's not exactly the right conversion, it's rounded, but that will give you the correct idea. Okay? First thing you do is you write down whatever it is you start with. So I'm going to start with 71 inches. I'm going to write down 71 inches. Then we're going to multiply. And just as I was talking about before, we want the same unit on the top and the same unit on the bottom so they can cancel each other out. So since I already have my inches on the top, I want to put my inches on the bottom so they'll cancel. So inches goes on the bottom, and I'm trying to change it into centimeters, so that means centimeters will go on the top. And if we look at my conversion, I can see that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So I put a 1 next to my inches, and I put a 2.54 next to my centimeters. The inch on the bottom and the inch on the top will cancel, and that leaves us with a basic math problem. And this is just like in your algebra class. All you have to do is multiply it like a fraction. So it's top number times top number, 71 times 2.54, which gives you 180.34. If you look at our units, my inches are gone, but my centimeters still remain. So centimeters goes on the top, and I do have a 1 on the bottom, so I would put a 1 on the bottom here, but remember, any number divided by 1 is the same number, so I don't have to put the 1 unless I really want to. So that means if I'm 71 inches tall, I'm 180.34 centimeters tall, and that's one-step conversion problems.